67 was the last question.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the question number 68. You have to see the instruments of your compass box. There are some drawing tools. You have to observe and complete the following table. Here, name of the tool is given in the left hand side, and towards right hand side they have given the number of lines of symmetry. Ruler. If
Sir,
you
ruler
observe the
symmetry
ruler,
lines are two, sir. Two lines of
this is
symmetry,
a
sir.
ruler. It's a rectangular in shape. So there will be two lines of symmetry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One is a horizontal line of symmetry, other is vertical line of symmetry.
Divider
There will
only
be
one, sir.
two line of symmetry. For a divider, if you
Yes.
observe, there will be one line of symmetry. Both the side there will be metallic ends,
line of
the needles are there. For
Yes,
this
sir.
particular figure, which is a compass,
Lines of symmetry.
there is no line
line.
of symmetry.
No line of symmetry.
Yes, sir. Because there is
No lines of
yes, sir. One
These
is
two
metal
are
and
called as set squares.
yes, sir.
In this
Only
set square,
45
there will be
degree,
one line
90
of
degree
symmetry
set square only
when
one,
you
sir.
have
Yes, sir.
equal sides.
No lines of
If the
symmetry.
sides are not equal, there is no line of symmetry.
Symmetry, sir.
If you take
Yes,
a
sir.
protractor, there will be
Yes, sir.
one line of
One line of
symmetry.
symmetry.
Let us
One
fill the
line of
table now.
symmetry.
For a ruler, there are two lines of symmetry.
Two lines of symmetry.
Lines of symmetry.
For a divider, there is one line of symmetry. For compasses, zero line of
sir.
symmetry.
One line of symmetry.
Protractor,
One line of symmetry, sir. One line of symmetry. This also, sir, triangle.
triangular
Sir,
piece
one, sir.
with two
One,
equal sides.
One, sir.
One line of symmetry.
One, sir.
one, sir.
For
And
unequal,
zero.
there will be
No,
zero
sir.
number of line of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 69th question. Draw the images of points A and B in the line L on of the given figure and name them as A dash and B dash respectively. Measure AB and A dash B dash. Are they equal?
कत्ती सुन पुढं उत्तर आपले हे हलके सापडले.
Who is that donkey? Shant.
Shant not sir.
Ishant. How to solve this question, sir?
Draw
Draw the
image
images of point A and point B
in line of L
in
of
line L of figure.
have A and B. Respectively
Name
measure
them as
A
A
and
dash
A.
B dash. Are the measures equal? Actually speaking, they did not mention point B. It has to be mentioned. Say this is
Yes,
point
sir.
B. Now we can do something. What you have to do is the same, you have to trace it over here and name it as A dash B dash. What I do is I'll copy this, paste it over here. It should look like this. And I have to name it as A dash B dash.
Good morning, sir. Sir, we have to draw the mirror image, sir.
Yes, sir. You have to draw the mirror image.
Morning, sir.
Line L.
Are the measures equal?
Okay. Name them as A dash and B
Yes,
dash.
sir. Yes, sir.
If you consider the line segment AB, this will be of equal length of A dash B dash. If you consider line segment, if you consider the ray AB, This will not be equal to ray A dash B dash. Can you tell me why?
Sir, because
Sir,
ray
because
is
they are
endless,
not
endless, sir.
Because the ray will be
Are
extended. This
endless.
arrow indicates that it can be extended. If we extend it to 1 kilometer,
sir.
this can be extended to 2 kilometers, so their length are not equal,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? Let's have
Yes,
a
sir.
look at 70th question. They have given a figure here. In this figure, point C is on the image of point A.
Please, can
Point
you
C is image of point A in the line L. L acts as a mirror here. And line segment BC intersects the line at P. Is the image of P in the line L point P itself? If you consider L as a mirror, if L is a mirror, if you think that it is a mirror, will the image of P lies on P only? That is what the question is. Actually, yes. The image of P will be at P only.
Yes, sir.
They have given is PA equal to PC. A is the
Yes, sir.
object,
Equal, sir.
C is the image, PA will be equal to
Yes, sir.
PC.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's equal,
it
sir.
is equal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They are
Yes,
equal.
definitely equal, sir.
PA plus PB. PA plus
PA.
PB, is it equal to PB plus PC?
Yes, sir.
PC
Yes,
plus
sir.
PB.
Yes, sir.
Sir, equal,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
equal.
Yes, sir. Equal,
Whenever
sir.
you have
कौन से
PA equal to
Yes, sir.
PC, we can add PB
Yes,
on
sir.
both sides.
They are equal, sir. Yes. They
If we
are
are
equal,
adding
sir.
PB on both sides, we get PA plus PB equal to
Yes.
PC
And
plus
both
PB.
what is
So they are equal. So
equal,
sixth
sir.
one, yes, they are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is P that point on line L from which the sum of the difference, the distance of point A and point B is minimum? We have written here PA plus PB equal to PC plus PB. What is PA plus PB?
Okay, A plus PB means
It's the sum of these two. Next is sum of these two. If I add this PB plus PC, this will be a minimum distance when C, P, B are there on a line. CP, when it is considered along with PB, point C, P and B are on line BC, correct? So this will be the minimum distance. This is the minimum distance. So the answer for this also is yes. You can think next one is very easy. You have to complete this figure. You have to trace as it is. Best thing to do this is you take it on a squared paper. This becomes easy. If I make it, this will be the image. It looks like this.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes.
You cannot do the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. In book we must draw it, sir.
Only thing you can do is on a squared paper you can do it. So now don't worry about this question. Look at 70
Sir, this
second
question we have to do where, sir?
Not required.
Sir, all questions till 72, sir. I have done till 60, sir.
Okay, sir. This 71st question you need not do.
Okay, sir.
72nd question, draw the images of the point A, B, and C. In the line M, see the figure. Name them as A dash, B dash, and C dash respectively, and join them in pairs. Measure AB, BC, CA, A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash, and C A dash. Is AB equal to A dash, B dash? Is BC equal to B dash, C dash? Is CA equal to C dash, A dash? To trace it, let me show you how to do that. What I do is I am going to consider a line segment.
ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅದೇನಾ
This is a line segment. I am going to place it on AB. If I am placing exactly on AB, what does it mean? It is of the same length. It means that this line segment and AB, they are of the same length. I can bring it here. I am just sliding this here. Let me name it as A dash C dash. Same way, I am going to consider another line segment which is of length EAC. Let me increase the weight of that. Now I am going to bring it over here. This point is A dash, so this point has to be B dash. Now I am going to join this B dash C dash. It did not come. Insert line segment here. Can we say that these lengths are equal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are equal.
Yes, sir. We can say so.
Yes,
We
lengths
can
are
say
equal,
that
sir. Yes, sir. They are equal.
Lengths are equal, sir.
AB and A dash B dash, they are equal. BC and B dash C dash equal. CA
Yes,
and
sir.
C dash A dash, they are equal.
Sir, A dash B dash means what, sir?
It's only the name here. When we are representing a line segment, we usually represent it with two letters, say PQ. I can represent some other line segment with P dash Q dash. It's only the name. This is a way of
Yes, sir.
representing a line segment, not to worry about that. Here,
Sir,
there
I
is a
could
question.
not understand previous question, sir. Sir, question number 72, I can't understand, sir. Can you
You have
repeat
not
once again?
understood.
Question number 16 and I not understand, sir. Can you?
Question number 72, you can see here, draw the images of the point A, B, and C in the line M. This is the line M. On this line, I have to bring this line AB, line BC, and line CA. So that is possible when you are bring it over here so that it passes through line M. This is the possible way.
9, sir.
Okay. Question number 69. In question number 69, you have to consider this line L as a mirror and you have to get the image of AB, which is A dash B dash. You can trace this AB and draw it here. The length of AB, if you consider as a line segment, this length will be equal to the line segment A dash B dash. If you are
Sir, what
taking
is
it as a ray,
unequal? Downside, sir. AB ray
not equal.
not equal.
The meaning of
How,
this is
sir?
not equal.
Not equal, sir. How, sir? Can you
It
show
means
an
that
example?
a ray AB not equal
The ray is
to a
endless,
ray
sir.
A dash B dash. I have said you that a ray is not having a definite length. If it is not having a definite length, it means that it can be extended in one direction. There is an arrow mark here. It can be extended in this direction. Suppose
Yes, sir.
if you extend it to 10 centimeter, if you extend, somebody else will extend it to 20 centimeter. Can we say that 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter are equal? You can't say. Somebody
Sir.
else will extend it to 120 centimeter. Your friend doesn't like 120 centimeter, he'll extend it to 920 centimeter. 920 centimeter, 10 centimeter, are they same? They are not the same.
No, sir. Not,
So
sir.
when we consider line segment in account, when we consider the line segment, it will be having a equal length. If you are extending this to, no, if you are having line segment 10 centimeter, this also is 10 centimeter. It cannot be extended. Cannot be extended. It means
Sir, how
that
can we,
it has
how can you,
definite length. Understood? When you consider
sir,
a
how
line segment, it has a definite length. When you consider
yes, sir.
ray, it is not having a definite length.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how we can extend the ray in mirror image, sir?
How we extend the ray in the mirror image? We cannot extend the ray in the mirror image, but they have asked to draw the image. We have drawn the image.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? If you are
Yes, sir.
thinking that this is fixed quantity and this is exactly reflection of this, then they are equal. If you are thinking exactly the mirror image, then they are equal. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I will write here. They will become equal if A dash B dash is mirror image of AB. Now this statement is correct. If you are taking this and this as a mirror images, then their length will be same. If a person is say 6 feet tall, his image also will be 6 feet tall. That makes the sense. If you are simply drawing the line, no, they will not be same. If you are considering it as a mirror, then they are same. Now answer is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So we need to mention
Yes,
this.
sir.
Then answer will be correct. Coming to 73rd question, there is P, Q are mentioned towards this side. You have to draw the image of P dash, Q dash, R dash of the points P, Q and R, and you have to join them, and you have to measure the angles and say whether the angles are equal or not. Suppose if I make a mirror image of this should be flipped like this, correct?
Yes, sir.
When you flip it, it looks like this. It's a mirror image. What is this
Sir,
point?
come in math.
This point is P dash.
So
This
right
point is
to
Q dash.
right side.
This point is R dash. सही है?
Yes, sir.
Becomes the image. This becomes the object. Suppose if you are measuring this angle, we get some angle. Say if it is 70 degree. What will be the measure of this angle? Will it be
So
70
70
degree?
degree.
Yes, 70 degree
70
only.
degree.
So
Yes, sir. 70
angle
degree only, sir.
PQR will be equal to angle P dash Q dash R dash. Angles formed are equal. You'll get equal angles there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
There is another question to complete by taking L as a line of symmetry. So you have a left part given. You have to make a right hand part of the same figure. So this is our left hand part. We have to make a right hand part there. So it looks something like this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This part was object. This is its image.
Image,
This
sir.
line is the line of symmetry. And this complete thing is whole figure. Understood? This
Yes,
type of
sir.
question will not be asked in the exam. This type of question will not be asked. Here we have to draw a line segment of length 7 centimeter and get perpendicular bisector using compass and ruler. I will tell you what are the steps involved in this. I am not going to do an actual construction. The first step is we have to draw a line segment AB of length 7 centimeter. This is first step we have to do. This is AB, which is 7 centimeter. Then you have to take compass and you have to measure more than half the length of AB somewhere here,
We
and you have to
can also make with uh,
cut arcs.
ruler, sir, by putting half.
You should not do with only ruler. You have to take
Yes, sir.
use of compass. So this is the first step. First step is draw line
Can we
segment
use
AB.
why
Second
compass or
step
not, sir?
is with A as center and
My
radius.
grandfather told me how to do this.
Okay, radius more than half the length of AB. Cut arcs on either side of.
Sir, you show in the method on polypad, sir, by making.
Okay, sir. This you have understood. You have to make arcs. After this, you should not change the length. You have to cut the arcs here with B as a center. So third step is with same radius and B as center, cut arcs on either side of AB to get points of intersection x and y. Let me name this point as x. Let me name this point as y. Now we have to draw a line passing through xy. Draw a line passing through xy. This xy will be the perpendicular bisector. It will be difficult if I am doing it online. However, I will show you how to do that.
Sir, your
Presentation is gone, sir.
Yes, sir, I know
Presentation is
that.
gone.
Sir, presentation is gone, sir.
Yes, presentation has gone. Now it has come. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
First
Yes,
step
sir.
Yes, sir.
was
Sir was
to
presenting
draw
To make
another
the point
a
easily.
line segment of length
Of
7
centimeter.
centimeter.
7 centimeter, sir.
इसमें perfection नहीं होता है, but still you can understand this. Say this is a line segment of length 7 centimeter. I have named this as line segment AB.
Maybe.
AB का length 7 centimeter है. Now with compass, you have to measure more than half the length. This is more than half, you will all agree. I have to cut
Yes, sir.
arc
It is more than
on
sir.
either side.
Sir.
On either side, I have to cut the arc. Here, in this compass, it becomes very difficult to cut arc only to some part. I have to draw circle-like thing. Now with the same radius, you have to cut arc
With B point, sir.
with point B. So
Yes,
here
sir.
is a difficulty, sir. I have to cut like this only. There is no other go.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, completely.
Completely.
And
So is the
now we
problem,
should
yaar.
draw a line in between
Now
this.
Actually,
we have
this part
to
is
draw
not
a line
required.
between the
These parts are not required.
where
Only
the
this point of
arcs are
intersection
joined.
is required.
Yes. We should draw the
Yes,
line
sir.
in between this 2
Yes,
points,
sir.
sir.
X and Y were the name given.
Yes, sir.
Now I have to take the ruler and I have to join this X and Y.
Yes, sir.
why? Yes, sir.
Join कर देंगे. What is this? Is it a line segment or line we have to draw? It has to be
So, line,
line.
sir.
So 2 arrow marks I have to take.
Yes, sir.
When you complete this, we get some point here. Let me name this point as M.
Okay, sir.
To indicate that it is a midpoint. Means that the length of AM will be equal to the length of MB.
B.
These two will
MB.
be
Yes.
equal to half of AB.
Yes, sir.
And
Sir,
not only that, angle AMX will become equal to 90
PMY.
degree. It become equal to 90 degree.
And B. Sir, it is equal to BMY also.
Okay, sir. This is also equal to BMX. Not only that, AMY will be equal to 90 degree, which will be equal to BMY. इस लाइन को क्या करेंगे? We will mention this line as perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector
ಶಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಆಗ್ತದ
AB.
14ನೇ ತಗಕ
Yes, Bhunesh. What is there on 14th? Bhunesh Kori.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
What is there on 14th? You are telling something.
ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ ಸರ್
Nothing, huh?
Sir, your
You are
presentation here
talking.
goes, sir.
You are talking to your mother. You can discuss other things later, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 76th question is easy. You
Yes,
can
sir.
see here. We have to draw a line segment of length 6.5 centimeter. Divide it into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. How do we do that? 4 equal parts.
Yes, sir, it can be done, sir.
Shall I tell you how to do that 4 equal parts?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, we can do it, sir.
Yes,
You can
sir.
do it.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
tell it,
sir.
sir.
In a
I
rough, I
can't do
will
it.
tell you. In
Sir,
rough,
tell,
I will
sir.
tell.
Okay, sir.
One line
Sir, I
segment
can't.
of length 6.5 centimeter. You
Okay,
bisect
sir.
them. You bisect using perpendicular bisector. Now it has become 2 equal parts. Now you
Sir,
consider this length,
we have to make
Yes, sir.
another
once
perpendicular,
again
sir.
perpendicular bisector,
Yes, sir.
one more perpendicular bisector for this line segment. So totally one,
Yes,
two,
sir.
3, 4 parts. 4 equal parts are made.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do is 3 perpendicular bisectors are to be drawn.
Yes, sir.
Will you try this? Hopefully you are having compass box with you
Yes, sir.
with the
Yes,
instrument.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes, sir,
try it.
I have done
It
question
won't be
till
that
51,
difficult.
sir. Sir, I have written the question till 51.
Okay, sir. Now the question is draw an angle
I'm not.
140 degree with the help of protractor and bisect it using a ruler and compass.
Sir, I can do this, sir.
You can do this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sorry.
Others also can do this, but you
Yes,
know
sir.
how to do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
presentation. You try. Do
Sir,
your presentation,
presentation
sir.
is done.
Presentation.
No, sir,
No,
it
sir.
is not
I
gone, sir.
have
No, sir.
removed.
Yes, sir.
First, you have to make an angle of 140 degree.
Yes, sir.
For
Using
that,
protractor, sir.
we require a point of reference. For that, let us take a ray or a line segment. For instance, if I take a line segment, say this line segment, with this point as a reference, I have to make 140 degree. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have placed it right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
140 degree.
Yes, sir.
This is 140 degree. You should not measure from this side. You have to measure from where the line is there. So this point is 140 degree. Let me take this out.
Excuse me, sir.
Let me join it.
Sir, can you explain 73rd question? I didn't understand. Wait a minute.
अभी इस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करेंगे. Then we will discuss.
Sir, you can do with the line segment also, sir, in that option.
Yes, we can do with the line segment also. This is what?
140 degree.
140 degree.
Angle. Yes, sir.
So let me write it here. Angle formed is 140 degree. Now how to bisect this? To bisect it, we have to again make use of the compass.
Yes, sir.
Let me bring it here.
It's more than half, sir.
After this, we have to take more than half the length.
Yes, sir.
This is more than half the
Again,
length.
and again we should do arc, sir.
Again, we have to do the arc.
Yes, sir.
We have to place it over here.
Yes, sir. Again we have to
Again,
do the arc.
They are intersecting at this point.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
This is the point of
And
intersection.
all the outs are intersecting.
sir, this online compass is very difficult.
Yes, sir. Online compass is difficult.
Draw the center in between, sir.
Sir,
And name it XY, sir.
bicycle, sir.
Adjust with this. It's not exact.
Yes, sir.
It's very difficult to bring it at exact point here.
Sir, there is one more app that is very easy, sir.
कौन सा ऐप है यार?
सर एक आईपैड का ऐप होता है सर.
iPad मेरे पास नहीं है ना. क्या करें?
Yes, sir. In iPad there is
ठीक.
one.
ओके सर, मैं आपको एक अच्छा ऐप बता दूंगा.
हाँ ढूंढो.
ओके सर.
मैं बहुत ढूंढने के बाद ये मिला है.
ओके सर, मैं ढूंढ लूंगा सर कोई ना कोई.
हाँ अच्छी बात है.
Sir,
Bhushan sir also uses this app only, sir.
bicycle है sir.
नितिन बहुत किट्टी तुम्हारा वॉइस कटकटाएगा है
अभी कुछ मेंशन करेंगे यहाँ पे. The angle BAC is 140 degree. Angle DAB is 70 degree, which is also equal to DAC. प्रोसीजर समझ में आया ना?
सर इतना कर रहे बदल में हम बीच में एक लाइन बना दें तो होता है ना सर.
नहीं नहीं
No,
नहीं होता है
make a ray. हम इस पॉइंट से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. So whenever a point is taken as consideration, when you are extending the line, it becomes a ray. It is not line, it is a ray. This is a procedure. Procedure you have understood?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर प्रेजेंटेशन गॉन सर.
Wait.
ठीक है. एक क्वेश्चन तो समझ में आया ना? 72nd क्वेश्चन.
यस सर. यस सर.
77th question.
Presentation.
78th question. 8th question is also on the same lines. We have to make 65 degree, and you have to divide that. 79th question same. So 78th, 79th आप try करो. 80th question onwards I'll tell it in the next class. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
अभी
बाय सर.
टाइम हुआ है 9:30. आया होगा
यस सर.
डाला क्लास
9:30
नाउ.
Nice day sir.
Sir, when will school start, sir?
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
One information, there were PDF which was shared to you on WhatsApp. It's consent letter. You have to send it to your class teacher's mail ID.
I sent it yesterday only, sir.
Yesterday only I sent. There is something heading there. Willingness.
Yes, sir. I am got that one also, sir.
Tick on this willingness. If your parents are willing to send you, you have to tick on that. If your parents are not willing, you have to mention there unwilling. ये add कर देना unwilling. And your parent have to sign. Yesterday, Nitin had sent his consent form. His parent signature is missing in that.
No sir. Not so sir.
Not you, Nitin. There is one more Nitin of class A. Sorry, Nikhil of class A. Nikhil Thotgar. He has to send it again because his
No
parent
sir.
signature is
Nikhil
missing.
Totgar is only in our class sir.
Sir, I'm 6th day, sir. I sent
Nikhil
to your
Totgar
email
is
ID,
in
sir.
6A only sir.
Say Nikhil.
How to fill up the form? Show sir.
His parent signature is missing.
Speak
Sir,
about
show the how to fill up the form, sir.
Sir, my father wants to
I have a doubt,
send it,
sir.
sir.
Please show how to fill up the form, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर
Sir,
कितने लोग
I'm
वो सर यस बोलेंगे
Sir,
तो
my father
स्टार्ट
wants to
होगा
speak
सर
about this
स्कूल
cancel letter, sir.
If many of the boys are willing to come to school, and
Sir, where we have to
decision will
take
be
the
taken.
sir,
sir, where
sir, I'm
Sir,
आई वांट सर मैं चाहता हूँ सर स्कूल को आने के लिए
तो willing लिख देना.
sir, I'm 6th day, sir.
सर
Sir, I'm 6th day, sir. Should I send my submission to you, sir?
how to fill
Yes,
up the
yes.
form?
You have to send it to me.
Okay, sir.
आप ये देख रहे हो willingness form.
Yes, sir.
यस सर अब गया सर देख रहे थे गया सर अब
Father got this cancel letter, sir.
So on this you have to mention your roll number, your parents'
Sir. Name?
name here. Sir, here
Sir.
here your parents' name. Here cadet's name. Here your parents' name, cadet's name, roll number, class and section. Dash house. You know the house also. House you have to
Yes,
mention.
sir. What are
ये willingness में टिक कर देना if your parents are willing to send. अगर willing नहीं है, let them write unwilling. ठीक है?
So we have to take on willingness, sir.
Yeah.
So upside is there na heading in heading.
On the heading only if you tick it's enough.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? अभी टाइम हो गया यार. Thank you.
सर किसको भेजना है सर